In this tutorial, we'll see how to create a contact list in InTouch. After logging in, open the left-hand menu and select Lists. From here, you can manage existing lists or create a new one. To create a new list, click Create and choose Real List. Enter the name, category, sender, and permission reminder. Then complete the information and click Save and Manage Fields. Here you can configure the fields, email, phone number, consent, and add new ones, choosing which are required or visible. To import contacts, click Import Contacts. The process is completed in 3 steps. In the first step, upload a CSV file. You can also add a prefix to phone numbers or set a language code. It's important to confirm that you have consent to send communications, otherwise, you can't proceed. In the second step, match the file columns to the list fields. Finally, review everything and start the import. Once imported, you can manage existing contacts or add new ones. From the main screen, using the 3-dot menu, you can duplicate the list, send campaigns, or connect it to forms and landing pages. You can also create a virtual list, which is a filtered segment of a real list. Lastly, you'll find frozen lists, which contain suspended contacts. The list is ready, you can use it or edit it at any time.